everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video. Bell's come in.
Is on?
Yeah.
Are we on? Are we live?
We're doing this.
Okay.
I just want to do a quick video and thank everyone that's been involved with the project. It's been some years of
It's been a lot.
some ups and downs, hasn't it?
It's been a lot. But awesome. Look at the result.
Yeah, thank you.
I mean, look at it.
First drive at home, I had the whole family on the side of the road with their cameras out. It was so special. All I could think is like, don't run over my pregnant fiance.
Yeah.
Anyone else is like,
Eh.
is expendable. But yeah, so thanks everyone. You know who you are. I think I'll thank you in person and buy you a box of chocolates or something like that.
But roses, because favourites are too expensive.
It's like 6 different varieties, and people only like 2
Of
of the roses.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. I get a favourite.
We're getting sidetracked.
Splurge.
So yeah, thankfully I've documented the whole process in the meantime, and that involves building it, the world premiere, and some of the little mishaps along the way. Let's say.
There's a couple. We got pregnant. That was one.
Yeah, I wasn't even trying.
We got proposed to. We met at Prince.
Yeah, we've done some
There's a
stuff,
lot.
haven't we, Bells?
There's a lot. Yeah.
So enjoy the clips, and there'll be more coming soon.
Bye.